Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A17. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display and brightness, and as you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change between light mode and dark mode. Also, you can schedule it. And in dark mode settings, you can change style between enhanced, medium and gentle, enable or disable adaptive contrast, adjust wallpapers to dark mode, and adjust icons to dark mode. Also, you can enable dark mode for third-party apps. Next, you can change brightness level manually or via auto brightness. Then you can change screen color mode between vivid and natural, and also you can change screen color temperature. Then you can enable eye comfort mode, schedule it, change its temperature, and effect between color and black and white. Then you can enable or disable auto rotate screen, set auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, and in the end you can manage screen display view by app, which means you can hide front camera in certain apps and select full screen display also for certain apps. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.